Hi guys, and welcome back to Crafts&Magic. So this is actually a part 2 of my beginner Flipaclip tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to be touching over some things I forgot to mention in the first one. So for the people watching right now, if you haven't watched my first video, this is just some other little features that I forgot to mention. So you should go and watch my first video for a full tutorial. So the first and I think biggest thing that I forgot to mention was that there are other pens besides this one pen, one fine liner, I guess you could say. So you tap on it and you get to the settings, right? But then if you tap on the pen again, you'll see these other pens. So I'm going to go over them really quick. So you already know what the pen looks like, but the pencil, if you tap on that, it's sort of less predictable, you could say. It's more fuzzy, and it looks a lot like a pencil to me. It's more for background sketches and stuff for before you do the actual drawing. Now onto the paintbrush. So the paintbrush automatically comes in a low opacity. I don't know why. I'm going to try to change the opacity lower down. So, yes, I think the really only difference between the paintbrush and the pen, they look pretty much the same to me, is the paintbrush has like rounded edges opposing to the pen, which doesn't. And it is a little bit more, if you know what streamline is, it makes the curves more easy to draw, and it makes it flow a little bit better. Also, with the low opacity one, it's a little more fuzzy, as you can see on the edges, and a little more paintbrush-like. The highlighter. The highlighter comes also on a low opacity, just like a normal highlighter, obviously, so you can highlight over stuff. It's like a square more, and it looks a lot more like a highlighter. So if you want to get a certain style with the highlighter with this sort of square, more blocky look and less rounded edges, I think I should have used the highlighter for my computer, because it looks like it can make straight lines way better than the normal pen. So, in the couple of days since I made the first video, I've actually found out a better way to copy and paste. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you go to Frames Viewer like usual, and then you push on the box with the dotted lines around it, and then you got to unselect all of these. It's pretty annoying, but just unselect. Say you want to copy layer 2, so I'm just going to unselect all of these. And then I'm just going to push this button that is to the right of the send button, this box with the dotted box behind it. And then I'm going to push this button that is to the very far right. So the box with the second box with the arrow. So I'm going to push that. And as you can see, frame 2 was copied, and I have frame 2 as the same. So the next thing I want to touch on is the grid. I didn't really go over this, but there's not a lot to talk about. It helps you draw, especially if you like doing grid drawings to help you learn how to draw. You can edit it by changing the line opacity. It keeps telling me I have to pay, but I'm changing it just fine without paying, so I don't know what that's about. So you can change vertical and horizontal, and yeah, that's basically it. So you can add an image and add a video. I think I already showed you this in the first video, so that's fine. You can also make a movie out of it, which this is the place where they add the Flipaclip watermark, I think. So let's go push on make a movie. So here's all the settings. So you can change the output size from YouTube to something else. Change the format and turn off the Flipaclip watermark if you pay, because look, when I try to turn it off, it will just tell me that I have to pay. So I push this make movie button. I've already done this, and so I can just push replace. So now you can upload it to different places, and you can click on this and it will have the movie or a preview of the movie, and it will just keep playing over and over. So I personally don't know why you wouldn't just take a screen recording of this, because it's just the same quality with a screen recording and you don't get that watermark there, but I don't know. One more thing is, if you tap on this music button down in the left corner, you can turn it on. So then this is where you add your audio. So this middle button on the right, that is where you add the audio that you record. This button here, you can add audio from Flipaclip's library, which is more like sound effects, but you gotta buy it, so that's not good. This you can, I think you can upload your own music, like from like Apple Music. I'm not sure because I haven't paid. Okay, so I'll teach you how to do audio right now. Make sure this sound button in the on the middle in the left is on, otherwise it won't record. So you're just gonna tap on this this button right here, this recording button, and I'm just gonna do something. So if I just say hello, now it will have that. So if I don't want that silent part, then I can just clip it off right here, and then I can push check, and you gotta drag it down if you want to. So it will show, it's actually pretty cool. It will show which frames go with your thing. So if you play it back once you're done, hello, it's a pretty cool feature, and it is really nice, especially for free. So if you want to delete it, you can just tap on it and push the undo button. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. This was a pretty short one. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. This was a pretty short video. It was just touching on some things that I forgot to mention in the first video. So thank you for watching. Again, make sure to like, subscribe if you like this kind of content, and I will see you in the next video.